Hey YouTube, it's your girl Coop. There were a couple of course. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit that like, comment, and subscribe button if you're coming back. Welcome back, y'all. So y'all, this prank that I'm doing, I'm recording the intro the day after because the prank wasn't planned. I just picked up the phone, started recording. But y'all, basically I got the fart spray off Amazon and I put it in my purse and I sprayed it when we was going through the drive-thru car wash. So I hope y'all like the video. But yeah, just stay tuned for the entire video because it's funny. Y'all, I am too freaking goofy to be doing pranks. I'm too goofy. I don't know when I will do another prank on my mama because I'm too goofy. Like I'm goofy as heck. Y'all gonna see. But yeah, stay tuned.
Please wait while you're trying.
Look, it's going to the side. Yo, I am too goofy.
What's that smell? Don't play my, you know that was me. Oh, gee.
Go up, mama.
Say go up. So, then do I supposed to go back?
No, you go out and leave. Oh my God.
Girl, get out and look at this car.
I can see it. Look at all that.
Get out and look at it. That's what I'm saying.
It's still a little small streaks up there.
You gonna get out and look?
I'm looking.
I said the car, Maisha.
You said, oh Jesus.
What is that smell? That shit. God damn.
I don't know.
Ooh.
That comes from Mom, not smell like home.
Put
What?
is you gonna look at?
Look,
I was about to get out, but
You
don't
gonna do
worry.
that?
Yes, I was. Mama, don't poop no more.
There wasn't no
who are we leaving?
There wasn't worth no $14. I'll never go back in there.
Just don't go to that one. They got bigger ones.
You do all that. They didn't do none of that, all that they said they were gonna do.
Yes, they did. It pre-soaked and everything. Oh, you should go to
Shit, I need
this car.
get out
You can go to
and
this
walk
car.
my car down.
What you crack the window for?
And that smell stink.
You don't even smell it no more.
So, something wrong with your no.
I remember start sniffing when I said you can't smell it no more.
Let me look at the man one day. I'll let you get your own way down. You got a headache.
You can't even smell it. What?
That was your mama did that, baby.
No, it wasn't.
That was you.
He said you put it, Granny.
No, that was your mama.
No, it wasn't.
It was you.
It was who? What's their name? Who put it?
Ooh. It's something in this car. That baby must have boo-booed or something, girl. Ooh, it's getting worse. Don't do that, Mike. You're going to give me a ticket. You're going to give me a ticket, girl. Stop. You're going to give me a ticket, Mike.
I paid on myself. I paid on myself.
God damn. So, like, the further we get, the damn. The further
I need a. I need. You got some more?
Yeah, my bag.
Mama.
Oh, have mercy. The further we get, the horrible the smell is. What?
I know she did. I didn't spit in nothing. Mama, what's the smell?
See what I'm talking about? It's
Oh, I gotta pee. Ooh, that stink.
We go to the regular restaurant when we
God.
go to the apple store.
Can you exit so I can pee?
Hey, you got pee too.
I think I done let some out already.
She got my damn.
Oh, Jesus.
Yeah,
Mama, whatever you ate, I'm gonna need you not to eat it no more.
no, what you ate between your breath with that burp and all that,
I gotta pee.
then you gotta do more than pee.
Man,
You got
Mama.
to be clean out.
Oh my God. You can't even smell it. Jesus. Man, I don't feel it. I didn't throw up. Oh God. I don't know. Lord, have mercy. I should have brought me some extra clothes.
This smell like
Mama, I'm gonna need you to stop passing gas. That's what I'm gonna need you to do.
my car and shit or whatever.
Oh, that's pretty. Look at his wheels. It's purple and blue. Mama.
What, girl? You got it. Oh, my God.
It stank, baby. It stank. I sprayed it as soon as you start washing the car.
Damn, that shit stank. Let's see what the asshole is.
Oh my God.
Asshole is just.
Remember we did that? Remember we did that on Granny? She said it smelled like something crawled up you and died.
That shit got my head hurting.
That's why I turned it on to record. You didn't notice that?
No, I didn't.
Oh man. I'm gonna have fun editing this video. I gotta pee. Ariana, shut up.
Man, we trying to ice fuck this smell.
Ariana, shut up. Or you ain't getting no candy. I don't even smell it no more. You smell it? I smell it a little bit. It ain't stinking as much as it did with Granny. So I hope y'all enjoyed that video. It was super funny. I was laughing while I was editing it. But make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Click that button on the side for more videos. It's your girl Coop, Big Coop, not the little one. And I'm out. Peace. I'm blessed with two kings. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye.